Is there any interest in a guy building a 1100 horsepower naturally aspirated uh, Big Block Chrysler street car? I want to make a YouTube channel showing that process, the whole thing, like a wild 588-inch aluminum compression motor, two dominators, solid roller cam, just on kill, giant fender well headers, um, street car, full exhaust, 10-inch tire, like super loose converter, 5500 stall converter, and a tranny brake. Probably a fogger kit on top of that if it gets boring. I don't know. I'm trying to think of ways to help me stay motivated, and I'm thinking that if I were to make videos of the process, it would kind of sort of hold me accountable for getting stuff done. If I say I'm going to do it, I got to do it. And if I tell somebody else that, then I kind of got to hold myself to it. So that's the idea. And I was thinking that if it motivates me, maybe it can motivate you too, or somebody you know. I think the whole idea revolves around there's guys like me that has junk like this laying in our garage, and we keep meaning to get to it, but we never do. And I want to make a channel for those guys. So if you know somebody like that, please let them know what's going on over here. Maybe they can subscribe. Maybe you can subscribe, something like that. And we will just get through this whole thing together. It's going to be 100% done in this tiny little garage. I'm standing in a 1.5 car garage. This is no big shop. I don't have all the big fancy tools. I don't have the big budget. None of that stuff's all done by hand. Everything has been like wheeling and dealing for parts, or I've saved this for so long, I'm finally going to use it. That kind of stuff. I've built 100% of the car myself up till now. All the engine work, all the porting, all the welding, all the chassis work, the steering, the brakes, the transmission, the headers, the exhaust, everything. I'm excited. I keep thinking, who knows? Maybe this is my year. Maybe 2021, I finally get my old street car going again. That thing hasn't ran since 2007. So I'm kind of thinking it's long overdue. And I'm excited to put something like this together for it. So it's going to be wild. I don't know if my neighbor's going to enjoy this, but hopefully you will. And together it'll be a good time. So let's see how it goes. Like and subscribe. I don't know if it's here or there. I don't know any of that kind of stuff. I don't even know how to make a video yet. So I'm just recording this. Who knows what you're going to see.